Hello, I'm Annalie and welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to send long video in the Messenger. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. First, you will of course log into your Facebook account, and then here in Messenger, we will going to try to send long video. Just like this. Oh, so if you are one of those people who has this problem, which you cannot send long video in the Messenger, this video can help you. So I hope you will continue to watch this video. We will try to solve this problem, guys. So what we will going to do is we will use the pcloud file manager, and in here we will upload the video that we want to share in the Messenger, or we want to send in the Messenger. Okay. I already uploaded the video that I want to share in the Messenger, but let's try to delete this, guys. Now I want you to see how I will going to do it. How am I doing? So let's upload the video from our PC. By the way, you can install the pcloud file manager from Google for free. So you will just search it in Google and install it in your PC for free. Let's just wait for a while, guys. Okay, so we have it here now. So how to do it, to share it, to send it in a Messenger, we will simply click the share button. And then you see this link, guys. We will just copy this link, and then let's go back to the Messenger and send it here. So we already shared and sent the video, the long video, from our PC to the Messenger, and the receiver will just click this link and will directly download your video. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want more videos like this, please comment below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.